Happy holidays, everyone. Happy Thanksgiving on this day. Today we are taking a look at the one, the only, an amazing headset right here. Throw away your Turtle Beaches, throw away those cheap generic headsets, and get ready for some awesome gaming experience. I got my Xbox right behind me and my Switch, but I need something to talk to people on Xbox Live. I actually need to have them hear me good. Or if I'm playing my computer, my Steam games, I need something that works for everything. So we have the E5 BT 2.4 GHz wireless gaming headset. This works with Bluetooth. It also has a wired connection, which is very cool. I like that. And on top of that, we have some pretty cool things right here. 52 hours, super long play. Compatible with all platforms, and this has superior audio quality as well. That's what I'm looking for, the awesome audio quality, because I want to be able to hear people and hear the game through my headset. And it's highly responsive. You can see all the specs here, but let's go ahead and unbox this guy. Pretty easy unboxing. I got a little bit of plastic. So here we have the headset itself. Looking snazzy. You can see this is really nice. Really comfy, fits on my head here. Now we have the buttons right here. We have the power button here. So I can turn this on. I can connect that via Bluetooth. We can see the light is turning on here. So we can switch that here. You can hear it. So this is pairing. You can pair it up. So if you want to pair this up with a Bluetooth device, you can, or you can simply plug it in, which will show. We have the volume right here. And we also have, it's not an unboxing, we have the outlet for the USB-C right here. So that is that in a nutshell. Looks really, really nice. You can see the design is also very, very nice. You can tell this is a high quality made headset. So that's the first part. But what if I want to connect it to my buddy right here, my EKSA box, my Xbox controller? Well, we got this little package here. Pop that on open. Really excited for this. Christmas came early. I'm not even Santa Claus. So we have our little thing right here. So what I want to do, if I wanted to do that, is take this, the USB-C, pop this in here, Xbox controller, ba-boom. So you can do that instead of Bluetooth. Also, it's not an unboxing unless you get the USB-C, so I can do this right here if I want. Now, if I don't want to have this in here, I can go ahead and plug this USB-C into right here and plug it into something else. So I got the two USB-Cs right here. And I can choose what I want. So if I want to plug this into my computer, just take this, do the USB-C like that, and I can plug it into my computer here as well. And then we also have the receiver right here. And we have the little guide right here and the instruction manual, which is very cool. Now, this has it right here. You want to make sure that the headset is connected before starting the software, and actually shows how you do Bluetooth. So we can see this right here, the little card. Got the Bluetooth. We want to use the dongle. So this is the dongle. Go ahead and put that into the input, or for Windows, we also want to use the dongle, Bluetooth, and plug it in. So we have these different types of dongles, and that is it right here. So that was a simple unboxing. Really, really like that. I really like this dongle right here as well. Super easy. You just plug that in via USB. So there's different ways you can do it. You can use this to plug into the Xbox controller directly. You can use this guy for a little Bluetooth action. Boom. You can use this guy for USB-C. And Saw how nice and comfy this is, so you can go hands-free with it. Just make sure this is plugged into something. You can USB it, and this sounds really cool. I'm sure we're going to have a great gaming experience. This beats out the Turtle Beaches. This beats out the rest of everything. Superior audio quality, coming in very good. I'm going to say this is absolutely amazing. You got to check this headset out.